Gusto niya kaya tayo pumarap ng mga
Kim Harold School occupies the 3rd, 4th, and 5th floor of Manchis Building. This is the 3rd floor. It is a fully air-conditioned area. It is where you can find the director's office, computer laboratory, the visual room, and library.
It has reliable trainers using updated training materials, complete equipment installed in spacious fully air-conditioned rooms.
The highlights of computer technology is quality standard application, perform computer operation, mensuration, and calculation, install and configure computer system and network.
This is the 4th floor. This is where we conduct lecture, technical presentation, demonstration, assembling, and troubleshooting.
This is the 5th floor. It is where you can find the school canteen and a spacious area for physical education exercises. This space has a good ambience where you can spend your leisure time and mingle with friends in a safe place.
Kim Harold cares for quality and it has a low tuition fee, only 2,135 pesos per semester.
Meron din pang gabi, 5 to 8 ng gabi at 20% discount pa. Dito sa aming mga role, sigurado na trabaho, mag-graduate. Kaya pa, hinihintay nyo!